Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to add sprinting to your movement. If you don't know how to do player movement in Unity, I've done a tutorial on how to do that before. And yeah, let's get straight into it. It's pretty easy. We're going to make a public float. This public float is going to be our sprinting. And we're going to set this to 25. Go into update and write if input dot get access, no, not get access, get key down, key code dot left shift. Once you have done that, we're going to be writing speed, which is our float for our player movement. We're going to do plus equals and then our sprinting. The reason we're doing plus equals is because every time we hold shift, it's going to add 25 onto our speed. But we don't want to be 75 speed forever, so we're going to write an else if and then input dot get key up key code dot left shift, and then we're just going to do the exact same. However, instead of plus equals, it's going to be negative equals sprinting. We're going to make this our slider as well by going range between 0 and 100. We're going to do this for our actual player movement as well. For our sprinting, we're going to make this a 50 instead, so you can't sprint that far or that high. I don't know if this is the best method in the world. I kind of came up with this myself, but let's try it out anyways. So, if we go to our player now, you can see that we have a couple of sliders, a sprinting slider and a speed slider. And the sprinting slider can only go up to 50, and the speed slider can only go up to 100. So we go press play. You can see, if you keep an eye on the speed over here, you can see that when I hit shift, it goes up to 75 when I hold it, and when I let go, it goes back down to 50. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, see you later.